guys, I'm Rhonda Nickerson from Rhonda's Creative Corner, where we teach you to make bones and wreaths and how to perfect your craft. All right guys, today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to make this cute, fun, and easy, fast project. All right, so this could be many things. This can be an ornament. If you have a big tree, this can be one of your ornaments for your trees. You can make multiples of these, put them on your tree. This would also go, if you have some mistletoe, you can hang it and it can be a kissing mistletoe. It can be so many things. It can also be go on your outside wall lights. You can hang that on your outside wall lights. It can do so much. So this project probably took me about 10 minutes. So it's gonna be a fast forward video, but I am going to be explaining everything that I have done while the video is going, okay? All right guys, let's talk about supplies. I got this bell at Hobby Lobby, the deco mesh tubing also at Hobby Lobby, these beautiful picks, Rhonda's Creative Corner, this beautiful greenery, Rhonda's Creative Corner, and this awesome ribbon, Rhonda's Creative Corner. All right, let's talk about the tools we'll need. You need wire cutters, you'll also need scissors, glue sticks and glue gun, and you will also need the Rhonda's Creative Station or the Easy Bow Maker. So let's get started. All right, first things first, let's take the ribbon, and I took it from the top of the bell to the table to measure how long I wanted my tail to be. I then used my Rhonda's Creative Station and I made 3 loops on each side at 4.5 inches, all right? Then I took my greenery and I cut 4 pieces off. I then laid each piece cat-a-corner to each other where I had 4 going in 4 different directions. I then took my pick and I placed 2 of the picks in opposite directions of each other. I then grabbed my deco mesh tubing and I added 1 loop on each side. One of the things that I forgot to tell you to get was a zip tie. So I took the zip tie, I put it underneath, and then I pulled it not all the way tight, but kind of tight, all right? I then fluffed my bow, and then I got another zip tie and I stuck it underneath it. One tip with this, make sure that you're putting your zip tie the right way so that you will not have to turn it. All right, then I took a 7-inch piece of ribbon and I tied it in the middle. So as you can see there, I was changing my zip tie around, so that's why I told you to make sure that you place it the right way so that you will get it correct the first time, all right? I then took some glue and I glued the zip tie around the ornament. I then continued to take glue and I placed the glue underneath the ribbon to make sure that it was on there as secure as possible. Right, so the last thing you want to do is cover your mechanics. I put some glue and I placed some of the deco mesh tubing over the zip tie. All right guys, so there you have it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to push that notification bell. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and down in the description, I will give you substitute that you can use if you want to just shop with Rhonda'sCreativeCorner.com. I have some perfect ornaments that would go perfect with this as well, okay? So I'm gonna put all of the links down in the description. Make sure to go down there and read everything so that you can make this beautiful project as well, all right? All right, until next time. Bye guys.